Morning, everyone. Let's just give it a couple minutes and let some more people get in here, and then we will get started. Guys, I'm here. We're just giving it a couple minutes. Let the viewers start coming in. What is going on, everyone? Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys all had a great day yesterday. If you are new to the Discord, if you see anyone with a green name, those people I have handpicked and who I trust to be calling out plays and to give education. You can ask them questions if you guys need be. If the green name Sniper Bot is someone who just types my trades out or other moderators in the chat, their plays, their callouts. So, and they will, Sniperbot will usually tag everyone. And for example, if I'm entering 454 puts, Sniperbot will be like, entered 454 puts at $2.30, everyone, right? Just in case you can't listen to the live stream. And I'm just going over this just because we have quite a few new people, guys. All right, let's get it. Okay, so where are we opening? We're opening pretty flat from Wednesday. I ended up taking a trade on my funded account, guys, and yesterday I went up 565 on the day, and then I just closed it. So the trades I'm going to be looking for today, let's get our key levels put up on here. So our main key level we're going to be watching for right now and today is, first of all, 455. We have the previous close on the I'm on the 5 minute right now, by the way. The previous close, we have the 200 EMA on the 5 minute right now. This is going to be the best level for calls and also the best level for puts. If we break through it, come back up, retest. If we start creating a roof or a rejection, we will fall to probably 453.67. On the upper side, where I'm looking for puts, the best level for puts is going to be 456.48. This is a gap that we still have not filled on the daily time frame yet. So we did a partial gap close reversal on Wednesday. As you can see, we fell off a cliff, but we did not actually hit it. So as of right now, the best level for puts is going to be 456.48. I am going to be looking for calls at 455. If we see this support, this is the previous close and the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. This is looking like the best level for calls. We have been respecting this trend so far, the 200 EMA, guys, and the 200 moving average. Every time we touch it, we bounce, touch it, we bounce, touch it, we bounce, touch it, we bounce. So I'm going to be following this trend until that trend is no more. When I will start getting extremely bearish is when we reject this previous close, because it's not just the previous close, the 200 EMA. We will see some downside here for sure. Other than that, you can be, let's put a line here, guys, just for the previous resistance. of Wednesday and of the pre-market. This is a good level, 455.80. And what else am I going to be watching at? That's pretty much it. So to start the day off today, I'm going to hit my small account, then my big account, then my Apex account. I'm in that order because I'm usually good. I usually get the best trades first thing in the morning, so I'm going to hit my small account, guys. I'm usually going in with 10 to 15 contracts with my small account, make my 10, 15 cents, and close it for the day. My bigger account, I'm probably going in with 50 to 100 contracts. And then when it comes to my funded account, I have a 300K funded account with Apex. I will be just looking for the best setup, right? Because I'm doing very well this week on that account. I'm up 5,000, so 25% of the way. So I'm only trading that account very light for the day today. And you know what, YouTube? I'm just gonna stay on here for the morning. I'll stay here for the morning. Make a couple trades and then we'll get out of here. And remember, today is the last day of the Black Friday sale, guys. The link is in the bio. And we also have indicators for everyone part of the Discord. Those are expiring on Saturday. If you would like, you don't need them, but if you would like them, we are offering it to Discord members before we change to monthly. So do not worry about it. I personally do not use indicators, but I know a lot of people that do. And so far, the reviews of the indicators have been very well. So don't feel the need that you have to get them. But if you're an indicator type of person, these are one of the best indicators for our style of trading at the moment. But other than that, guys, we're trading flat right now. So let's just keep an eye on the previous close. I don't care if it hits in the pre-market. I want to see it hit during market hours. Easy Shmoney, I'm on the Discord right now too. I'm live streaming on both. Just usually I close down the YouTube, but we'll keep it open for the day. Well, for the morning. And guys, we have a affiliate link for Apex. The Discord has one. We will be dropping that today. If you would like to use it, it's not a big deal. What is your go-to meal for Thanksgiving, guys? Tell me. I want to see if the Canadians and Americans are different. Yeah, Easy Shmoney. Code SAVE90. I think it ends on the 28th, if I'm not mistaken. Good morning, guys. So let's get these key levels written down, Sniper Bot. If you're new to the Discord, guys, I post my key levels under key levels. Right under the Sniper Trading, it's a key levels tab. This is where Sniper Bot usually types all my key levels. We have Jim C and Mohammed are usually typing in this as well. And when it goes to the moderator callouts, if you see the green check mark tab underneath Sniper Trading, go down a little bit, moderator callouts. This is where Coop, Trader B, Jim C as well, Mohammed, Dimitri. These are where these guys are posting their key levels and their trading plan for the day. So make sure you do not sleep and you guys read all of their game plans. The thing about this community, guys, is we have a bunch of smart people, a bunch of great traders, and when we all combine ourselves together, we make a wicked, phenomenal trading plan. Multiple heads is always better than one. Thanks, Zen. Yeah, I'm currently on keto, so my Thanksgiving dinner was just a steak. Unfortunately, that's why I hate my life. That's why I sound like I have no energy. I've been just going to the gym so much lately and keto. I'm like, ugh, I'm out of it. Oh, not to mention, you want to hear this? So we're filming a podcast this weekend, right? We got a couple guys joining me and Dimitri on the podcast. Options Doctor and Mohammed's coming on. So we have in Manhattan this weekend. So I fly out tomorrow, right? So I was just buzzing my head, and then I'm like, let me trim my beard. Stupid me had a random clipper on. Oh my God. I can't even make a YouTube video. I literally look like a thumb. Like, it's horrible. I'm hoping to God this shit grows back for Sunday. Story of my freaking life. I'm like, of course, the one day I decided to touch my beard. It wasn't even drinking. It was first thing in the morning yesterday. It was horrible. Well, we're good. We're good. Who made some? Anyone make any? What's it called? Futures trades yesterday. Anyone make their goal or anything? I sniped one play, 35 contracts, made 560. Got the hell out. I wasn't hungover. I don't drink in the week anymore. Oh, nice. Good job, Harry. 900 yesterday. Great job, Scalp Trader W. Sniper Bot, we have a bunch of new people in here. Can you just remind everyone where to go for the live streams? So yeah, I'm pretty much watching the previous close, guys. 455. We have the 200 EMA there in the 5 minute. For puts, 455.80 looks nice. 456 looks nice, as well as the gap that we have not filled yet. The previous gap that was left on SPY at 456.48. So I'm gonna do these key levels right now. Sniper Bot, go in the key levels now. Okay, so the best level for puts is 456.48. That's for small accounts, cash accounts, funded accounts. The best level to short the market in this range we are right now is 456.48. The second key level I'm going to be watching is 455.80. The next lower level we're watching is the previous closing price at 455.02. If we make 455.02 a resistance on the 5 minute time frame, we can hit puts and bring that all the way down to 454.36. And then if we make 454.36 to 454.26 a resistance, puts will print all the way to 453.67. And we still have a gap at 453.27 as well. Philip, I'll help you with that. Why won't... I'll help you with that after, buddy. Did you go to apexfunding.com? And we do have news at 9:45 a.m., correct? Correct. Philip, and make sure you get the Trader Vate one, not the Rhythmic, whatever it is. Samperbot, how are those key levels? Oh, you already did them. Okay, I didn't see that. And if you guys remember, we have market news and earnings where the moderators are posting, or anyone can post in there upcoming news or things to watch out for.
Hey, what up, homie?
What's going on, Mo?
What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I did one of these. You guys can hear me clear?
Yeah, I hear you fine.
Perfect.
What's your game plan for today?
I'm actually looking at the charts right now. I like to put the key levels around the same time you do. Is what I do is I look at the last few candle formations on the 15 and 30, and then I cross-reference them with with a larger time frame, like a 1 hour and 4 hour. So
All right.
I like to see. I let the candles speak to me. Like if you look at the 15 right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you go back 9 candles on the 15, you see where we're rejecting at right now on the pre-market, and that tells a certain kind of story. Is so a rejection can mean one of two things. Is you can see that it's either forming like a ceiling right there, and we can fall from there, right, down to the 200 at 454.48. Or what can do is it's a price consolidation move where the market makers are just taking up the liquidity and we can push upwards. So you guys should pay attention to that.
Sounds good.
As of right now, we're below the EMAs, so that could be one sign of weakness. You always want to have 3 signs of confluence before you take a trade. If you don't have those 3 signs in your favor, then don't just take the trade randomly. Otherwise, it's just the same as flipping a coin. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited to be on here with live. Appreciate you, Steve, for giving me perms. We used to do these together in this other place, but it's been a minute since we've gone live together.
Yeah, we have Gundy too. I don't know if you met him. Gundy, this is Mo. Gundy.
What's going on, guys? What's going on, brother?
Gundy, what's up, bro? I love what you're doing. I love everything about the way you trade, bro. So it's a pleasure to be able to live trade with you right now.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate that. Everybody has their own styles, right? You just got to do what works for you. Find what works for you.
Absolutely. That's key. Guys, one more thing is that I trade more than SPY, so I may call out a trade. Doesn't mean you automatically jump into it. If I call out a Tesla or NVIDIA, I have multiple screens up. What I'd like for you to do is check the screen. Don't chase it or don't just jump in because I'm in, but I do trade other tickers. I don't just trade SPY. So, and if I don't say the expiration date, it means it's same day. Now, keep in mind today, I'm sure the moderators already mentioned this, it closes at 1 p.m. Eastern, so data is going to be twice as fast. You're going to get time decay. Your premiums will burn twice as fast as they would on any other day. And also keep in mind there's low volume to no volume today. Virtually no volume, obviously, right? So you can treat it as a market holiday. Yes, we're technically open today, but don't try to make up any money you may have lost in the past week or two. Thinking that you're just going to make it up today. You're not going to see these wild moves or some insane trend today.
Hey YouTube, can you guys hear other people speak? Just let me know if you can hear Mo and Gundy speaking. Okay. Thanks, Larry. Perfect. Has to work for now until we can find a better way to be able to stream on both.
Google looks crazy right now. Looks strong.
Google? It looks, yeah, same shit SPY right now. It's holding. Remember, guys, when something can't break up, it breaks down. When something can't break down, it breaks up. Make sure you're watching the trend. Make sure you're watching, trying to identify roofs and floors. You want to see a bunch of wicks for support on the 5-minute or whatever time frame you use. And you want to look for rejection wicks. Right now, we're still consolidating, so there's not too much to be going over at the moment.
Check out these Bitcoin name guys. The two names that correlate with Bitcoin movement are Mara and Coin.
Say that again. I missed that.
The two names that correlate with Bitcoin movement is Mara, Mara, and Coin, Coin. So anytime Bitcoin makes a strong move up, those move in conjunction with it, those tickers. And if it makes a potential like a significant move down, then those move down with it. So a lot of people have made a lot of money trading, day trading those tickers. I don't trade crypto. I'm not really into it. You guys can believe in it or whatever. That's fine. But what I do like to do is I like to trade the options contracts with the tickers.
Yeah.
So those can be, but like I said, like let's say if I say, hey guys, I'm getting in Coin or I'm getting in Mara in $10 calls. If I don't say the date, you can just automatically assume it's today. If I say next week's contracts, obviously I'm getting in next Friday's contracts. Don't chase what I do. Also, I hold, right? So I'm not a 10% kind of trader. I'm not gonna say, hey guys, I'm in. 2 minutes later, hey guys, I'm out. My style is I take confidence in my positions. I have, with that being said, my risk management and my risk tolerance is higher. Okay, so I'm only in the trade if I'm willing to lose 40% of my position. So if you get in $1,000 trade with me, you have to be willing to lose $400. Okay, and like that because that's how I'm trading. So if you're gonna take my trades, just understand that. So the RR on my trades, risk to reward, I'm looking to make 50% or higher. And that's based on the chart, though. So I'm only going to get in a trade if I can see a potential move to make the premiums move 50%. It's a little bit different than the moderators here. The moderators here are very successful, and they're very successful for a reason. It's because they give you great levels. I love everyone's levels in here, and they have high win rates. So I'm just trying to give you guys a synopsis of how I trade, okay? And I'm a price action trader. I let the candle speak to me, the key levels, and the volume, okay? That's what I look at. I use it in conjunction with EMAs, and that's just the way I trade.
It's good. I like having different style of traders. That's what makes our Discord the best, man. A lot of us trade differently.
Oh yeah. So SPY's giving up to 200 right now on the 5 minute. That's interesting. So the 455 is very huge for SPY. SPY gives up 455. We could see some downward action. But NVIDIA's still looking good. And if you guys noticed recently, NVIDIA's like the old school Tesla, where Tesla moved up, the market moved with it. NVIDIA's kind of taken over that role, is that where they move with each other. If NVIDIA goes up, market goes up. If NVIDIA goes down, market goes down. Like we had that crazy sell-off that you guys caught the last trading session, and NVIDIA just fell off a cliff. And then SPY, a couple minutes later, did exactly that. I think Steven called that out perfectly. I wasn't on the live session, but I could just tell from his results. I'm sure he caught those puts.
Yeah, we got high of day on Wednesday.
Yeah. You're perfect at that, bro. You definitely catch tops.
Yeah, I just gotta hold a little more. It's so hard to when you size in with size, especially with options. Once you go up, a lot of people are like, "Why do you sell so quick?" It's once you're able to scale in 50, 100 contracts plus, every 10 cents you're making $500 to $1,000. So that's why usually like I know the move could be bigger, but I just take if I see the money, I take it, guys. I don't come from money, so whenever I see money like that, I'm freaking out. I'm just programmed to trade like that. Okay, I'm gonna hit my small account first today.
We have data at 9:45, the PMI. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, 10 seconds.
Let's go, guys. Let's get green and get the hell out of here and have a great weekend. Okay, ding, ding, ding. Let's go. I have 454 calls on my screen, guys. I'm going to be playing the gap close reversal and the 200 EMAs there at the moment. I'm going to go December 1st contracts. No, I'm not. I'm going to go November 30th. Remember, I don't play first candle, but this is at a level to be buying at. Let's check the 30-minute time frame. We can come a little lower to the 50 and the 48 on the 30. And then that's where we should get our bounce from. Okay, I'm going to do a starter position on calls, guys. On November 30th, 454 calls. I'm in right now at $2.91 starter position. We are at a bounce area.
I'm up 10% off of Steven's calls. I took same days. I got it at 54 cents. They're at 61 now. 13%. 18%. Perfect call, Steven. Look at that wick, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Perfect. 15%, 16%.
Okay, guys, I just got, I sold guys at $3.03 from $2.91. Small account is done for the day, closing that shit down. Let's go.
What a beautiful call.
We swept Asian lows too, guys.
30%, guys. I'm sticking to my game plan. I hold till 50. We're approaching 50% now.
Let's go.
Beautiful. Beautiful call, Steve.
Let's go, baby.
Holy. I'm trimming here, guys.
Look at that gap close reversal, guys.
Perfect.
I told you guys, 200 EMA in previous closes right here. Once we fell down, On the 30-minute time frame, we ended up hitting the 48 EMA and the 50 moving average. That was pretty much the bottom. And for selling calls, I don't know. Like, I wouldn't be holding, me personally, I wouldn't be holding past here just based off the 30-minute time frame, but it is what it is. Anyone
Guys, the reason why I'm holding is we do have a, I call it a magnet. Steven understands that. I'll explain to you guys later, but we do have a magnet at 456.
Nice.
It's an indicator that Steven and I coded. He had a buddy who helped code it for me. So we have a magnet at 456. Right now we're at 45% on my runners. So with the help of Steven, we got in at 54 cents. Right now the contracts are at 75 cents, same days.
Anyone hit
Tech is pushing. If you look at Qs, the Qs are pushing up. That's always a good sign for the SPY. Insane move, guys. Like I said, we have a magnet at 456. Look at Microsoft. It's pushing. You guys know SPY is comprised of the largest 500 companies in the world. Well, one of its biggest holdings is Microsoft.
Let's fucking go. Why is there no one took that trade, eh? I know we weren't supposed to.
Even caught the bottom, bro. Look, guys, we're at 45% now.
Crazy 45%.
So, the motto I have is you always, majority of your position, you sell the rip, okay? So, like this large green candle, I sold majority of my position. Now, the runners, they can run all day. I don't care. And what we do is we trail the play. It's called a TSL, guys, trailing stop loss. So there's no way my trade is going to go red now because I move up my stops as this move goes up. And if it pulls back and if it hits my stop on the runners, I'm out. Guaranteed green trade.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look on the, I trade off the 15 when I'm having runners. Now, look on the 15. Look where we're rejecting. You guys, you got your EMA set. All right, so we're rejecting right there on the 50.
Anyone from YouTube hit those calls?
Beautiful play. Wow. Call buying is heavier than put buying right now, looking at the flow.
Gundy, what are you looking at for a short?
Oh, bro, I'm looking for a long, actually.
Okay.
It just swept Asian lows, right? So I'm going to wait for a break of structure to the upside, then to pull back. So I'm just sitting on my hands right now.
I'm not going to lie. Excuse me. I'm not going to lie. I went a bit heavier than I should have on that, so I'm glad I trimmed.
I love when you size in so much. You're like, why did I do that? And the play works out.
Oh, yeah. So this sounds crazy. I added a 0. I was going to take 10. I took 100. And you've seen me live take 100 contracts, Steven, so you know I'm crazy about that. But
yeah.
So look, guys, you saw where it rejected on the 15. So we saw the rejection happening, and now we wait because you see the candle, you see the bulls and bears fighting equal positions. You have a top wick and bottom wick. It's known as a doji. Let the candle speak to you. But we're trading below the EMAs, so in a technical sense, that's bearish.
Yeah, but this is a bounce spot.
Yes.
There's no trade right now, guys. You should be buying calls here, but I don't like how we're rejecting higher EMAs. So for me, I'm not taking the trade. Gundy, you just got in, didn't you?
No, I didn't get in at all, bro. We just had the liquidity sweep on. Well, I'm looking at the 15 as well. We just had a liquidity sweep. Now we need to break a structure to the upside, and then to pull back to fill that fair value gap. So I'm just sticking to the plan and waiting for everything to line up, bro.
Yeah. No, I like that about you. If you guys are new here, Gundy trades. He's a futures expert, and he only enters with an A1 setup, or he does not take a trade. Me and Mo and Dimitri and the other moderators guys were scalpers, so we hit a bunch of trades.
Insane whipsaw on Nvidia. The thing's just going crazy.
Remember, news at 9:45, guys. Remember that.
Yeah.
Okay, if Apple loses this level, it's gonna just puke. It's gonna die, and we know what happens with Apple dying. The market dies. Just be mindful that 190.3 on Apple is very critical. Let's see, 455. We could actually go to 454.70. I'm gonna get out of my last runner here.
Okay, guys, I'm opening my trader bait right now. I'm watching for a retest of previous close, guys, and the 200 EMA for a bearish rejection, and then I will be in shorts on futures. Remember, patience always pays. Do not rush anything. Do not get FOMO. Like Gundy says, the move will always come back to pick you up.
Guys, next level on SPY is 454.71. Support level there, and then we have 454.10. So just mark those on your charts. 454.71 and then 454.10. I'm front running 454 puts same day. Now, when I front run, it's a starter position, okay? So if you typically take 10 contracts, you need to take 2 to 3, okay? Now, if you take less than 5, you only need to take 1 just to feel it out. We're at lower band VWAP on the 15, so I don't expect like a crazy move down right now. My thesis for the trade is Apple is weak. You need to always have a thesis and a game plan of why you go into a trade, just like you have GPS open when you drive somewhere. Not much action here at all. These premiums aren't even moving, so you guys shouldn't even be down. It should be break even. There's nothing happening in this trade. I'm just going to close it out. I'm in zero trades right now, guys.
Guys, I just took a short position on my Apex account, 15 contracts, and I'm about to close all.
Order filled.
Done, guys. 562 on the day funded account. Closing that down. Now going in my big account.
Data in 4 minutes.
And the only reason why I sold that quickly, guys, is because I went with 15. Are they called contracts for options?
Yeah.
Okay. Or I meant future, sorry. Gunny, it's called the contract, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. I sized in heavy, guys, off the bat, went in half portfolio. As soon as it went into the money on SPY, I just sold immediately. Now there's no trade. Let the news come out. That's it. Let the news come out.
That's 4x with the pips.
Okay, gotcha.
This volume is horrible. This is crazy. Look at Apple, guys. It just broke 190 to the downside.
So the reason why I entered puts, guys, if you see, we broke under previous close and we closed under it. I played the retest of the VWAP on the 5-minute time frame. I took the short position for the retest for a bigger downside move. That's the reason why I entered puts right there. Yeah, I'm with Dimitri too. 454.59. He wants calls. One minute, sell your positions. 1 minute till news. I would sell your positions to play on the safer side, guys. So far, we do have a rejection of previous close and the 200 EMA on the 5-minute, which means we are bearish, guys. But we are also at a floor as well, so. The 1 minute looks like it's developing a floor. at the moment. But we are rejecting the 9 and 13, which is bearish.
Guys, did you see why levels are so important? That 454.71, as Steven mentioned, there's a floor right now for now. And that's our first support. Then our next support is going to be 454.10. I'll be on and off mute because of these dogs are going crazy. Take a look at Apple, guys. It's just free falling.
Once we hold previous close, guys, I'm going to be scalping calls. You guys see this roof that we're making at the previous close and the 200 EMA right now? Once we break over it, we come back down, retest it, we're going to hit calls because this thing's going to rocket. Until then, without that confirmation, I'm not buying calls. Good job, Carter. I'm waiting for confirmation of the next 5 minutes, guys. I gotta see how this candle ends before taking a trade. But as of right now, I got calls on my screen. And if this thing gets a big rip, I'm gonna be entering puts. So this is why I'm waiting for the confirmation of the next 5-minute candle. Yes, I trade Trader Vape the same as options. I trade Trader Vape the same as my small account. I usually do 50, then 100%. So I was planning to, okay, you see where we are right now. Once we come back to the previous close and the VWAP, 2 hit calls here to go higher. If we end up going up first, I would be planning to hit puts around the 50 moving average, which is probably around 455.41. That's what I'm looking for right now. 2 separate trades. It all depends on how what this candle does. But the previous resistance was a 9 EMA. Now we just held it as support. I'm going to hit my trader rate with this too because it's open. We're at the 21 EMA. I'm going to hit this, go a little higher. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to enter a short position.
Order filled.
I have a starter position for my trader vape. Small accounts, cash accounts. This is not, I'm just scalping this. Sorry. Okay, guys.
Order filled.
Just sold for $750. Jeez. Yo, a 300K account's so easy to make money on TraderVate. Let's go, baby. So I made 40% of my the goal so far for TraderVate. Now I have to close that down for the day. Can't get greedy with that. And the reason why I took that trade, guys, I'm probably going to hit my big account if this goes up a little more. You see the previous resistance, the 200 EMA and the previous close, guys. You see how we broke through it? We're going to come back down and retest this level. I could have held longer, but I went up so much. I went up 750 on that trade, so I just decided to get the hell out quickly. See? Just like that. I should have held a little longer. We're going to come back all the way to the previous close, guys. Within time. Ideally, I want puts right here, 455.42 for an overreaction play. Come back down to the VWAP and previous close. So my strategy, guys, is I'm usually scalping overreaction plays. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna like this. I'm about to hit this. Okay, I'm in 455 puts, guys. Same days right now. I'm in a starter position. What did I get in? Yeah, puts are cheap right now. And I'm going to be looking for the previous close. And this is where I'm going to add right there. Okay, guys, I just doubled my position size down on same days. My average cost is 32 cents. And if we end up making a new high, I'm going to cut it. But ideally, we should get a pullback to previous close right now. And I didn't mean to get these contracts, but hopefully it works out. See the resistance down here, the 200 EMA resistance with the previous close. We broke through it. We will come back down to retest it at some point. So I'm going to let this play out a little bit.
We had a liquidity sweep this morning, guys. I'm just waiting for the breaker structure to the upside. Once we have that, I'll look for the entry on the pullback for the fair value gap. I'm just sitting on my hands and waiting for everything to come to me.
Man, this play was a W, but these contracts are not moving. I chose horrible contracts. Let's go. Sold. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 3 for 3 on the day. All accounts, big account, small account, and funded account. I'm calling it a day. I am calling it a day. We hit calls at the bottom. First opening candle, we hit puts at the VWAP 15 minutes in, and then we shorted the high of day. All accounts are W's. Every single account. I'm done trading for the day, guys. I would have made way more, guys, if I didn't do same days. I did. What contracts did I do? The 455 puts, man. They didn't move. They didn't move that much. I was literally about to cut it for break even. Then we had that nice little drop. So. Oh, I gotta put the polls up. I'm gonna put the polls up right now.
Just filled that fair value gap on the 5 mil. Let's see if it holds, guys.
Polls are out. Polls are up, guys. It's gonna go exactly where I said it's gonna go, right? The 200 EMA and the previous close, guys. We will fuck. Looks like another free short right now too. I could have got that again. I literally could have got that again. It's okay, though. Greed kills in this industry, guys. The more greedier you are, the more chances you are of blowing up your account or losing a lot of money. Take what is given to you. Our price target for those puts are about to hit. Came pretty freaking close to it. And that's it. If today was your first day here, guys, let me know how your first day was in the chat. All right, so thanks, Scrooge. This is your 300th day.
Looks like we're trying to make a higher low right here. I'm just watching, guys. Nothing's lining up for me yet, so I'm just sitting on my hands. And I didn't think anything would set up here with it being a half a day. I'm just sitting here just waiting, guys. Being patient.
And the longer you start trading with us, guys, you're going to start understanding how we trade. We have multiple moderators. We all trade differently. It depends on your trading style, right? Gundy, Jim C, and who else? And Mo. You guys, they hold longer, right? Dimitri, myself, and the other moderators were usually in and out very quickly. Trader B enters the same trades we do, but he also leaves runners and ends up banking a lot more as well. So we have a mix of multiple styles here. So you just gotta, the more you're here, you'll understand which moderator style works better for you guys. Because not everyone can do what Dimitri and I do. And Zen, like we just in and out very quickly. And Coop. Tesla. Oh, yeah. Carter is a Tesla guy, too. You guys like trading Tesla. Carter does well in that as well. Amber, what's the play? What are you looking at? Good job. Patience pays. And it's okay if you haven't hit a play, because when Gundy hits a play, guys, it's going to be fucking big. So don't worry about that. And if there is no play, he will not enter. He literally only trades the best setups, guys. The best setups, or he will not take a trade. Me, I'm a scalper. Dimitri and myself are scalpers, guys. It's just our style, right? I trade candles. I size heavy when I know an overreaction is going to happen, and I get out. Jim C is around. I think he's hunting, if I'm not mistaken. Or he may have just taken a long weekend. But yes, Jim C's in there. Look at that, guys. We literally shorted the freaking high a day. Remember I told you guys I wanted to hit the 50. This was the best level, and we shot up. This is where I doubled down. Those contracts are probably crazy right now. How you guys from YouTube doing right now? You guys hit any trades? Okay, so what are we looking at? You see, guys, we broke through the previous support, turned it into a resistance, the previous close and the 200 EMA. We broke through it. We came right back down to retest both those levels. I told you it would happen, because that's what SPY does. SPY respects the 200 EMA like crazy, as well as the previous close. But sometimes it doesn't work. That's why it's better to wait a little bit. Don't get in. When something breaks out like this, a big thick green candle, you don't enter puts here. You wait for the second candle at a resistance where we bought in. My starter position, where I was supposed to add was right here at the 50 moving average on the 5 minute. You see, as soon as we add here, it just fell off a cliff. And this was definitely calls here. Because why? It's another overreaction play. Look how many EMA lines we broke through without retesting. This can go all the way up to 455.28 unless it rejects this VWAP right here, and then we're falling off a cliff. Good job, Willis. Duffel bag boy, you recognize every name in here. wait till you see who's around. Damn, my 300K account, man, would have been funded in this play. Jeez. So this is the previous floor that we had, guys, where we're currently sitting at. But I don't like seeing a rejection of previous close and the 200 EMA. That makes me overly bearish. All stars need to align up for me to take a trade for an overreaction trade, and right now it doesn't. I just see rejection after rejection, especially on the downside. We just retraced that entire move that we got from the morning, that little pump there. Remember, guys, check out the moderator tab, okay? The moderators they take time out of their mornings, guys. They make their game plan and then they post it to you guys, for you guys. So make sure you're always keeping an eye out, especially for Trader B and Coop. Every single morning, they're very consistent, as well as Jim C. and Dimitri. And then the key levels, it's usually me, myself, Mo, and Dimitri posting that as well, and Jim. And when I hop off, guys, everyone moves to team discussion. If you look where live trading is right now, where you're hearing my voice on the Discord, the live trading, you click to listen. If you keep scrolling down, you're going to see team discussion. Everyone goes back into team discussion, and everyone has full access to mics, so they speak together. Sorry.
Are you done trading for the day, Sniper?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm just on the phone call. One sec, guys.
Looks like support on the 200 on the 15-minute, guys, for ES, SPX. I'm going to actually jump over to team discussion, guys. See if we get an Amber Alert.
Sorry about that, guys. I was just on a phone call. I'm leaving to Manhattan in the morning, so we just had to go over some details. Okay, so listen, I'm going to get going for the day, guys. If you're part of the Discord, everyone move to the team discussions, okay? Scroll down, you'll see team discussion. Just hop into that. There's still a lot of you guys in the live trading. Everyone is leaving and moving to team discussion. You're able to turn your mic on and speak there. But that is all, guys. I hope you guys all had a great day today. And we're going to be continuously pushing out more content, okay? We're recording another podcast. Our podcast is being released on Saturday, the one Dimitri and myself did. And then this weekend, we're filming with Muhammad and Options Dr. Ryan and Dimitri. So we're going to have us four. It's going to be a lot better of a podcast. The podcast is being released on Saturday, tomorrow. We have done something like that before multiple times. So this one is going to be a lot different this weekend. So let's hope it comes out good. Remember, guys, Black Friday sale is ending today, or I'll just push it to tomorrow. It's ending tomorrow. So if you'd like to take advantage of it, the link is in the bio. And yeah, guys, that's everything. Anyways, I'm going to get going for the day, guys. We're 3 for 3. Funded account up 1,200 on the day. Small account up 180 on the day. And my big account is up 1,100 on the day. And that's everything, okay? I'm going to get going. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate it. And I'll see everyone Monday. Take care, guys.